इस खबर पर हम रहेंगे और जानकारी आपको देंगे, लेकिन टीम इंडिया की इस वक्त भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है, आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं.
Looking in very good shape. That's why we decided to conduct a fitness test yesterday. It's a good way to see where we stand and what we need to improve on as a team on the fitness front, and just to get the whole team together to do something which was a lot of fun for us yesterday, and it just creates that environment and that culture of wanting to improve on that aspect, particularly with the test match format, because that's priority for us right now. So yeah, the team's looking in good shape. Everyone's really excited for a fresh beginning from this test onwards, and I'm certainly very excited to be in the job of leading the team, and hopefully planning next few months or years of really good test cricket for Team India.
We have heard that people learn on the job. Now, having led the team in test matches in Australia, would you like to share with us some of the things that you have learned?
Well, I have obviously I wasn't I have captained teams before, but as you said, at a certain level, when you're captaining a side, you do tend to learn while doing the job. And test matches is a whole different ball game altogether, because in a one-day game or a T20 game, you need very short span of planning. But in a test match, you need planning for the whole day. If you're bowling for a day and a half, then you need it for a day and a half, and you need to manage your bowlers and manage the workload along with planning for batsmen, and then trying to get them out according to the situation of the game. So I have learnt a lot captaining in Australia as to what we can do according to our strengths, and focus on that primarily. And that's why the first and the foremost thing that we wanted to do as a unit was improve in all aspects of the game. The skills have been really good for a while. We're looking to continue with more consistency, and that's why we conducted a fitness test as well yesterday, because we feel as a whole bunch that is an area that we need to strengthen more and more going ahead, so that we get less injuries and we can play the similar set of players to build a match-winning combination in test cricket. So I have learnt a lot in different situations in Australia, and with the input of guys like Rohit, Ashwin, Ishant, who are experienced, that will certainly help us in recognizing what we need to do, especially knowing that we are playing a lot of home games right now, and then along the lines planning for playing away from home as well. So I have learnt a lot of things, good things and the things that I haven't done well. So it's all about how you improve on your mistakes, and just carry on with the good work that you've done in the past.
So how important would it be for the bowlers to get into the pace mode quickly, and what do you expect from them? And who would you like to be the leader of this bowling group? Because at times in overseas they have bowlers appear to be a bit different after the performance.
Very good question, because the time is short. They have to very quickly get into that frame of mind. The good thing in our team is we've got experience in that bowling department. There's youth, but there's experience as well. We welcome Harbhajan back in the side. He's a world-class operator, and he'll bring plenty to the plate. So it's a case of adapting and working as a unit. There's not going to be anyone who's going to be the leader of the pack. It's going to be an India bowling outfit that will go there as a team and perform. And how quickly they do that, the better for the side.
Well, most definitely we do. We want to create an environment firstly where the players feel that they are here to stay for a while, and they feel confident about their abilities. And as I mentioned about the fitness front, you mentioned the Olympics. I mean, that's primary focus in any sport, I guess. And if we sustain that, if we strengthen that over a period of 6 to 8 months from now, that will help us in the coming 3-4 years, and guys able to go through tough phases in test match cricket, because they are up there with the fitness levels and the skill levels as well. So it has to be a combination of both, and that's what we primarily want to focus on. That's something that we feel that we can improve on, and it's most definitely the need of the hour as far as Test cricket is concerned. So, yeah, we do have plans, we do have ambitions and goals that we want to achieve, but it'll happen one step at a time. And yesterday was a small step towards it. Today we start practicing, then we get into our first Test match in Bangladesh, and from there on we have a big home season. So. As I said, there should be an environment in the group where guys want to improve every day, and they have equal authority in the team, and they want to contribute to Team India's success, and not just happy with small contributions, but wanting to win the game for Team India whenever they step onto the field. So I think these minor changes in attitude, in fitness levels, in improving our skills, being more consistent, is something we plan to do, and something we plan to do as a whole unit and not just particular individuals.